Hello there, Taylor with Armageddon Report. So many things going on. Was this 5 of them? Let's take a look at the Northwest Pacific first, where for some reason the spaghetti models have disappeared again. Prapiroon out there. There are marine warnings in effect, or specifically typhoon marine-related warnings in effect. And we've got gale warnings as well out for those areas. Maria out there as well. Currently the Tormenta Tropical. Right, tropical storm status, and I think there was an area of invest when the spaghetti models were working. That is, of course, not there at all, because the spaghetti models aren't there. And then I haven't even ever found spaghetti models for the South Indian Ocean. So, right, who knows? So, we've got Anna. The one I can't pronounce is the French name for Anna, I think. Anais? Right, well, the equivalent right now of a Category 3 hurricane. And they being the JTWC, have modified the path somewhat again. Originally, it was supposed to book basically to the northern part of Madagascar. Now they're showing where, it might curve away. Now, I don't know how big the bands of rain and whatnot of Anais could be at that point, so I don't know what the impact to Madagascar are. And I still haven't found land hazards for that at all. Speaking of land hazards, there are land hazards with future Hurricane Rafael, and there are land hazards with current Hurricane Paul. Right, so let's look at Rafael first. So, rainfall problems and mudslides are mentioned. Wind, surf, so that'd be lluvia, viento, resaca, or a word like that. Is that the word, resaca? It's probably resaca. No, that makes it sound French again. Right, now we go over to Paul, and this would be in Spanish as well. Oh, right, that's right. There are no Spanish land hazards for the Eastern Pacific, because the NHC doesn't put them out there. Anyway, wind, rainfall, and dangerous surf conditions possible for Hurricane Paul out there. And that may well be the closest I've seen something get to California. Right, because, the sea surface temperatures do not generally support that sort of thing. So that is what's happening in the land of cyclones and tropical cyclones, typhoons, and hurricanes, depending on what basin you're in. Severe thunderstorm weather-wise in the US, there is actually a 15% chance of severe winds for a very smallish area. South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, all on the southeast coast, where they call it that. So, here is the wind map. Here is the only relevant map today. So, as high as a 15% chance of 58 mile per hour and greater winds, and then the 5% chance behind it. And then hail, no. Tornado, no. Or at least not predicted. Doesn't mean that a tornado couldn't happen. It's just not, it's not favourable for it, I guess. And then I totally skipped over day 2. This is day 3's outlook. Day 2 and days 4 through 8 currently are completely green. So Arkansas and Missouri is, as of now at least, the threat area for day 3, which would be whatever October 17th is, yeah. And here's the 5% area around it. And of course, things could change. The area could modify and stuff by the time that Wednesday rolls around, as it often does. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclone is CYCLOCANE.com. That is it for today. Hopefully you are enjoying your day, and try not to get a case of the Mondays or whatnot.